The legal definition of battery is the physical contact to another person using force or violence. Sometimes a battery is considered an aggravated battery when there's serious bodily injury involved, and this crime is also known as Penal Code 243, subsection D. The difference between a simple battery versus an aggravated battery is all about whether there was physical injuries involved. Some examples are fractured bones, wounds that require stitches, concussions, loss of consciousness, or injuries that require surgery to fix. Aggravated battery is considered a wobbler crime. And what that means is that it could initially be filed as a misdemeanor, and later the complaint against you can be amended to become a felony if the alleged victim in your case suffers serious bodily injury after the fact. This is important because a misdemeanor aggravated assault carries a maximum of punishment of 1 year in jail. And oftentimes, an experienced criminal defense attorney can negotiate a deal or alternatives to jail time, such as electronic home monitoring, community service, or weekend jail. But if the allegations against you are a felony aggravated battery causing serious bodily injury, the maximum prison time can be up to 3 or 4 years in prison, and that is a huge difference. So, what are the common defenses to aggravated battery causing serious bodily injury? One is just straight up self defense. Another is that the battery was done on accident or that the alleged injuries weren't actually serious. Sometimes a criminal defense attorney will hire an investigator to see if the alleged victim in your crime is in fact suffering an injury. For example, the victim might say that they're unable to walk or function in everyday life as a result of your injury to them. A defense investigator might see that person playing basketball as if nothing happened. This could be helpful to your case to show that the injuries were actually not serious. Now, every case is different and every fact patterns are different. And sometimes there might be cameras involved. Sometimes there might be witnesses involved. And sometimes there are even other co-defendants or other parties involved. To understand how to protect yourself and your case, consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney to see what defenses you might have, whether it makes sense to take your case to trial, or if there are mitigating circumstances that can help you get a good deal negotiated on your behalf. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call our law firm, and hope this information was helpful. Thanks for listening.